Hey guys, welcome back to Toy Collector. My name is Anthony and I'll be showing you the Ugglys Pet Shop Series 1. And here we go. So what we have here is the Ugglys Pet Shop. And it says there are 2 ugly pets inside. I'll be opening them right now. So there are the dogs. We have this yellow dog. And he has a bone in his mouth, and it looks like there's boogers in his mouth too. Yeah, I won't show it off. The next one, we have this. It looks like a wolf. It has a sign at the bottom. It's standing on a wood. It has a black nose because it's ink. Second one, it's a gray dog, brown ears, and it's barfing out. So, second one we have is I don't know what this is, but it looks like a mouse to me, and a mouse again. What we have is a mouse, and his eyes are like, one of them is squinky all the way down there. Second one, we have a mouse with cheese all over his mouth, and he's holding a cheese. So guys, that is it for today. See you next in the video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. If you want more videos, then subscribe for more videos. And bye.